In this video, I'm going to share with you information that you can use about Copaiba and why it's an oil you definitely want in your toolbox for the whole family, including your pets and animals. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide. Copaiba, however you want to pronounce it. The Brazilian way is Copaiba, but either way, it's the Swiss Army knife of essential oils that you definitely want in your toolbox, and here's why. But first, have you considered using, or do you use CBD oil, but are worried about what's in it, the cost, the potency, and if the ingredients will show up on a drug test? Everyone's talking about CBD oil, and you wish that you could use it for your health concerns, but you just can't wrap your head around it yet because of the whole marijuana, cannabis, hemp thing, and the lack of purity testing. I've got good news for you. We found something we like better and it costs less. Copaiba, it's an essential oil from trees that are grown in Brazil. BCP, I'll try and pronounce it, beta-caryophyllene. It's an active ingredient that helps with health concerns, that it's in CBD, and it's also in Copaiba oil, but it's 2 to 3 times more concentrated in doTERRA's Copaiba oil. But wait, there's more. doTERRA's Copaiba oil contains 4 types of Copaiba, and the synergy of all 4 powerful blends together to the highest naturally occurring BCP on the market. Plus, it's significantly less expensive, about 1/3 of the price of CBD oil. Plus, doTERRA tests every batch, and you can see the test results by simply looking up the batch number on the bottom of each bottle. Copaiba is safe and effective for the whole family, and it'll never show up in a drug screen. So Copaiba is in so many of our recipes for discomfort, healing, skin. I use it daily in our Mega Skin Dropper recipe and in our skin health and healing recipe, our liver recipe, our healthy hair recipe, our headache recipe, and more. And there are supplement facts on the bottle, so it's intended for internal use. Copaiba is an oil that I recommend for everybody, including your pets and animals, to take internally every day for whole body support, including pain and inflammation, arthritis, liver detox, tendons, intestinal support, autoimmune, blood pressure, heart health, bacterial and viral cooties, anxiety, sleep, headaches, even migraines, acne and cystic acne, skin and hair. Heck, it's the Swiss Army knife. Bonus, doTERRA's research has shown that adding Copaiba in with our Deep Blue, the oil, or into our Deep Blue rub actually is the secret sauce. And that's why the research has shown that they added it into the pain stick, and the FDA has authorized us to label for relief of aches and pains associated with arthritis, back pain, strains, sprains, bruises. Wowzer. So add it to your Deep Blue roller. Add it to your Deep Blue rub. Like I said, Copaiba is a Swiss Army knife. Tell us how you use Copaiba. Tell us down in the comments so that we can learn from each other. As I promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking on the description below. You can also follow the additional links to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I'm just so grateful that you're here. If you could relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you found value, the information that I shared, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and you'll get notifications. If you're already a subscriber, welcome. I'm so glad you're part of our community. And let me know what you'd like to hear in future videos. Remember, together we can age backward and live younger longer. Take good care.